Let's build our first Express server from scratch. Since Express.js run in a Node.js environment, we first need to install Node.js on our computer. If you don't know how to install Node.js, click on the I icon above. I have added a user guide video on installing Node.js. I assume that you have already installed Node.js in your computer. Now we need to create a Node.js project. To create a Node.js project, first go to the folder location where you want to create your project and create a directory that you can name whatever you want. I am doing Node Backend. Directory is created, and now go to inside that directory and open a terminal. So in terminal, it will navigate to the newly created directory where we will have our Node.js project. Now we need to do npm init because Node.js project are created through terminal. So I am doing it through terminal npm init. So it will create a package.json in this directory, and before that it will ask for all other things. Here I am giving the project name node backend, which is the directory name. I'm just hitting enter, and version enter, description giving it blank for now, entry point index.js. You can change it whatever name you want. I'm still keeping index.js and hit enter. Yes, so it will create our first Node.js project, and here we have the package.json created. So I'll open this directory in Visual Studio Code. You can use your favorite code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and now I'll go to the package.json and see what is here. The name of the project, which was asking through terminal, version asking through terminal, description you can change it here as well, and here we have the main file index.js. So as we have mentioned here index.js, so I'll create a new file index.js. So this is our Node.js project where we have index.js. Now I'll do some console here, console.log hello world. Now to run this file, we have to open the terminal again and run the file using node command, no space file name. In our case, I have index.js, so it will show hello world, the console value it is showing. So we can run JavaScript file through terminal using node command. Now we'll use this file to create our Express backend. So to do this, first we have to install Express in our project. Again, go to terminal. Any package, package means libraries. Any library you want to install for Node.js project have to install using npm command. So it will be like npm install package name, in our case Express. So it will install Express in our project. Let's see what happens once we install this. Here a new directory will be created called node modules, which will have all the dependencies installed in our project, and the list of the dependencies will be listed here under dependencies. So here we have Express, and here is the Express version. So our Express is installed now and we can use it now. And import Express from Express. This will import the Express library in our index.js, and then create an Express application instance using const app equals to Express. So here the app is an Express application instance, Express server instance. Now we need to listen this app on a particular port. So here start the server and listen to port 3000. So here the app will listen to port 3000, and here we have a callback function. On listen we are running this callback function, and here we are printing server is running on port 3000. Now let's run the index.js through terminal again, and let's see. Now I am running the file again. So here some logs are showing, also showing server running on port 3000. So this console is showing now. That means our Express server is created and it is attached to 3000 port. Why we need to attach to a port? A computer can run many network applications at the same time. Chrome, WhatsApp, MySQL, Node server. Operating system needs a way to identify which application should receive this incoming request. The identification happens adding a port number. So here app.listen means attach this Express application to port 3000 and start listening for incoming requests from network. Now, if someone visit localhost/3000, the request goes to Express app. Internally, what happens when you run app.listen 3000 Express internally using Node.js HTTP server? Node.js has inbuilt module HTTP which allow us to create a Node server listening to a port. Express is also doing the same, but it has other additional features. Our Express app is running on 3000 port, but if I open the browser and open localhost colon 3000, localhost means our machine address and then 3000 port, then it is showing cannot get slash. Why? We have created the server, then it should return something, but it's showing cannot get because there is no root defined yet. We need to create all the roots for Express app before binding to the port. So here I have added a new root app.get. So we'll receive the request on get method for slash. Slash means the root of the Express app, that is localhost colon 3000. For this I am returning res.send hello world. Now let's reload our browser. So when I reload the browser, still I'm not getting the updated root because the node server also need to restart it. So whenever any code change happen in the node project, always need to restart the server. So I have restarted the server. Now let me reload. See, hello world. So that means for the application root path, that is the for the root API localhost colon 3000, it is sending hello world. So congratulations, we have successfully created our Express application.